Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to jump on here real quick and show you the newest journal that's going to be listed in my Etsy store. This is the Country Blue envelope journal, or ephemera storage, whatever you want to call it. It has the beautiful silver toned corner protectors all the way around. The spine has this beautiful lace fabric covering it. The closure is an elastic closure with these lovely country blue beads with some silver. I'm going to open it up here. As you can see on the front, I left the decorations kind of minimal. I just put a few of the matching flowers on it. When you first look at it standing up, it will stand up on its own, and as you can see, it does have the 5 envelopes in it. So let's get right into it. So first thing you'll notice is this is not a typical journal. It doesn't have pages. It has envelopes in it, and we will get to that, but let's go ahead and let's just start right here on this front page. And as you can see, we have a little pocket fold out, whatever you want to call it. Behind here, I have a little journal card stuck in there. I don't have anything on it. I wanted to give the receiver that opportunity. That just slides back in. I have the little tab on it up here just to make it easier to remove. You'll see there's a little journal card right here with the belly band. This is in a matchbook style, so this comes out, and then this will flip up. Up here on the top part of the flip up, we have a belly band, and I just stuck a little journal card in there. Now, then we have this that opens up, and there's a little journal card stuck in there. This will open up, and we have a belly band here, and we have a little card stuck in there. Then this opens up. We have a little pocket here with the little journal card, and then we have another belly band, and there's just a little journal card stuck in there. Okay, and then all of this will just fold back up, and then this just tucks right back into here, and it keeps it all down and together. Now, in this first envelope, I've just included a couple of little journal cards for you. And each of the envelopes has this little tuck right there, and that's just so that your envelope flap won't get bent. On the back of that envelope, I have a side pocket that lifts up for some journaling area. I've stuck a little journal card in there. This envelope here, again, it's just a couple of little journal cards that I put in there. On the back of that envelope, we have a belly band. The belly band opens, and then I've stuck a couple of little journal cards in there. This envelope here, again, it's just a couple of little journal cards. Back here, we have a belly band. This belly band is in the Matchbox style, like the front little pocket was. And behind that belly band, I have a little card, tag card, you know, just something that you can journal on. That just goes right back in there. I'm just trying not to mess anything up. In this envelope, we have some more journal spots. And then on the back of that envelope, We have this one is an actual pocket, so it doesn't have the opening on the bottom. This folds up for some journal area, and then I've just stuck a little card in there for some journaling spots. And this envelope here, again, is just some little journal cards. And then on the back of that, we have a side pocket with the journal card stuck in there. The back, I chose to leave it like this. I used a button to keep my elastic closure in. I did crisscross the elastic. So this is the journal. It will be listed in my Etsy store. I will include the link below so that you can go over and check it out. I love this journal. This was very fun to make. And with the elastic closure, it gives you some room to bulk it up and add some more stuff to it. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure you go check the journal out and enjoy it, and go ahead and grab it. It's not gonna stay in my Etsy store long. This one's going to go quick. But thank you guys. I appreciate it. Y'all have a good evening.